Hey you guys, this is the Micah Saga. I have one of my favorite tokens I want to go over with you. Update that they have recently done that I think is bullish and it is really cool. If you're one of those guys that wants to or hates uh, transaction fees and wants to avoid those, well, what better way than a DEX that allows you to do that? Now, Fox Shapeshift just so happens to be one of those DEXs. All right. And it is currently 10 cents. As you can see, it is climbing up, continuing to gain strength and price. And the way that you can avoid transaction fees. Sorry, my dog. Hayes, what? What's wrong? Anyways, the way that you can avoid transaction fees is by holding. This guy actually says it right here in one of the comments 14 hours ago that they made here on CoinMarketCap. If you hold 300,000 Fox Shapeshift tokens, you get no fees on BTC trades. Win-win situation, not bad hold. And I believe that's trades on any crypto asset that you are trading on Fox Shapeshift. So I think that is a really cool update they did. I believe before it was, I'm not sure, it was a lot bigger amount of tokens that you had to hold to get no transactions, period, no matter what size of a transaction you were doing, for free. But now it is 100% free with only 300,000 Fox Shapeshift tokens. And I know for some people, or a lot of people even, that is a lot of money. But the cheaper that you bought Fox Shapeshift, the more of a possibility it is to have those 300,000 tokens to get the free transactions. And also another cool thing is any transaction under $1,000 is free for everyone, no matter if you hold Fox tokens or not, I believe. You don't need 300,000 Fox Shapeshift tokens to get free transaction, no transaction fees on anything under $1,000. So this is a little hack that you can have. Also, Fox Shapeshift uses Thorchain, and with that, it makes it possible to do Ethereum to Bitcoin transactions and vice versa, Bitcoin to Ethereum transactions without any extra steps. So it's pretty cool that we're able to do this with Fox Shapeshift. And the best part about it, on top of that, is if you're invested in this token, let's say you hold 300,000 Fox Shapeshift tokens, you're getting free transactions. If you're a whale or you're a person that is dealing with larger volume in crypto, then you could probably afford to get the 300,000 Fox tokens. And if you're buying it right now at around this price, or if you bought it at 3 cents or 1 cent, any of this price that it's currently at right now, then you can get it for relatively cheap, 300,000 Fox Shapeshift tokens. And over this next year into 2025, as you're utilizing that by getting free swaps or transactions, the price of Fox will also be going up over this year and into 2025. So your investment to get free transactions is also going up in value. So you're not just having that money sit there for nothing. It's growing, and you're pulling value out of your investment by free transactions. And I think that is a pretty good deal, and it is very cool. Also, this is a no KYC platform. It is completely decentralized. Um, it is a DEX, so that just aligns with everything that we believe in and people are here in crypto for, right? Um, to top it off, circulating supply is only 377 million, max supply of about a billion. Market cap is only 36 million, so it is still has a lot of room to grow, and you can make big gains with this one still. It's undervalued, I would say, and you know, you want to invest in tokens when they're undervalued, and as they grow, you get to grow with them. So that's the beautiful thing. What else? As you can see, it has a very, very good chart right now. It's came from the all-time lows, 1 cent, and it just from here it has been continuing to climb slowly but surely, creating higher lows and higher highs. And right here, it started getting really bullish right here. 1, 2, 3. You can see each time it continues upwards. So it looks like from this pattern, we hit this dip again. And now it's starting to look towards creating another higher high. And I believe it'll easily do that once Bitcoin starts to do its thing. We have 25 days until the Bitcoin halving. Let's see here. Bitcoin sitting at 67,000. That's actually not bad. It's showing considerable strength, and for today, it's been climbing up. You know, we started we started this day off at 64,000. So that's a pretty damn good climb. You know? And it's very good that it's sitting around, you know, these prices, because you can see it's been bouncing from, you know, 67,000 to, you know, the 63,000 range. We were at all the way up to 73K. So 67 isn't too far from that. And it looks like the market it's trying to climb back up there. So it is pretty bullish looking that we are not going to be dipping very far below. And you can see here at this line around the 60K range, 61,000 range, Bitcoin does not seem like it wants to go lower than that. It looks like it has some considerable strength. You have some strength right here, here, here again, here again. So yeah, I think if we start to go below 60K, then maybe we might see lower, but it's pretty far from 60K right now. But yeah, I wanted to tell you guys about this Shapeshift news here. It is pretty cool that you can have zero transaction fees. I know that does eat a lot of people up, especially the traders, the ones that are doing a lot of transactions and big transactions. And I know this benefits more probably the whales or the bigger ones, but we do have a lot of whales on Shapeshift, and it seems they are utilizing this. So it's pretty cool to see. Let's see here. This is Fred. Fred does his own research. Fred wants to stack more Bitcoin. Fred uses Shapeshift to permissionlessly borrow against his BTC with 0% APY. That is pretty cool. Don't get liquidated, Anon. So, see here, explore the DeFi universe, 100% free, open source, community owned, non-custodial, and private. Whales rest easy with Shapeshift. Let's see here. Which affiliate has the most whale traders? The answer is DeFi Spot and Shapeshift, with the average swap size of 67,000 and 65,000 USD respectively. That is pretty cool, and you can see here Shapeshift is number 2. So that's a pretty big deal, I feel like. I feel like with these kind of stats and things um, that you can see, I think Shapeshift is probably gonna be a like a diamond in the rough, just blast off and just really surprise people coming out of nowhere. I think that's what Shapeshift is gonna be. I think it's gonna really catch a lot of people by surprise because there isn't a lot of people talking about Shapeshift, but it does seem a lot of people know about it. At the same time, a lot of people don't know about it. So, yeah. Um, let's see what else here. This guy, he's been messing around with it. I'm going to get some haters, but this is the day I add some real Bitcoin leverage on Thorchain. And you use Shapeshift. You use Thorchain through Shapeshift. You can to do this. Uh, you know, borrowing against your Bitcoin. Thanks in advance for all the people saying bro wasn't around in 2021. Dude, do you know about Celsius? Voorhees is a shitcoiner. Red flags. You know, this is what the haters are saying basically. And so this guy, he's here to prove everyone wrong and have the balls to take a chance. And I hope everything works out because this will give people a lot of confidence in the borrowing sector of, you know, Bitcoin, being able to use your Bitcoin to take loans and then do whatever you want with that. Maybe buy more Bitcoin and sell Bitcoin when it goes up. And then when you pay off your loan, you get back your Bitcoin and it's even higher price as well later on. So that's a very cool thing. Also, maybe you don't want to sell your Bitcoin, but you want to be able to spend the money that you have invested in Bitcoin. So you could like take a loan on your Bitcoin, buy a house. Maybe your house goes up in value. You could take a loan then off of the value that your house went up, pay off your Bitcoin. You know, there's a lot of possibilities, so it's pretty cool. Oops. Let's see here. See if there's any other news here on the Shapeshift Twitter. Thor plus more. Unleash the LP and Shapeshift with ease. And here they said this is the official announcement that HODL 300K Fox get free trades, any asset, any size, 24/7, 365 Shapeshift with ease and on. So, and yeah, changed from 1 million tokens to 300K. So before you had to have 1 million Shapeshift tokens or Fox tokens to transact for free, or do trades for free, and now you only need 300K. That is a big difference. Some people probably didn't have 1 million tokens, but they had over 300K, and now they can benefit from that. So pretty cool. $0 in liquidations with Shapeshift. Let's see here. According to Parsec, with more than 5.4 million in collateral, was liquidated on the DeFi in the past 24 hours, including 4.27 million in ETH. If ETH falls to 3,008, 24 million in collateral will be liquidated. On-chain derivatives exchanges GMX, Quenta, and Polynomial, however you say that, triggered liquidations of more than 52 million in the past 24 hours. And Fox is saying 0 liquidations with Shapeshift. So that's pretty cool. I guess for some reason, I guess they don't have liquidations with Shapeshift. I don't really know the technicals behind it, but yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, I'm super bullish on this. I think there's a situation maybe when you lend that if Bitcoin's price goes down a certain amount, you'll get liquidated to cover that. Um, and with Shapeshift, it's actually a legit lending where you don't have to worry about the price action. You'll be safe. So that is a more banking style, more legit style of lending. So yeah, super bullish on Fox. I really do think that Fox can go to $3 to $10. Um, it is not impossible. All-time high for Fox was $5.13. So I really think that Fox could go back to all-time high and double that. So it'll be a sleeper. It'll be one that surprises a lot of people, and not everyone's going to be talking about it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't get scared with the market. I was just messaging a friend today telling him, don't worry. Usually when Bitcoin has a big dip, it also has a big pump. So don't let these whales, don't let the market makers fear you out with whatever they're doing. Just know the timeline. Know that there's a 4-year cycle. We haven't even crossed the Bitcoin halving. Scarcity goes up after the halving, and that also brings up prices. The S&P 500 stocks, they're doing great. All these things are looking very bullish for crypto. So we're in a good position. We are. And we're still way up there, you know? We're past previous all-time highs from 2021. Dude, there's nothing to be scared of. So I hope you guys like this video. Please, I appreciate it so much. I love when you guys comment and we can talk. Tell me about some cryptos maybe that you're interested in. I would love to talk about them, make a video or do a live stream and talk about them with you guys. You guys show me a lot of really good coins. And yeah, if you don't mind leaving a like, a comment, and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, and I appreciate you guys. Hope y'all have a good end of your weekend and a great start to your next week coming this Monday. And also, yeah, I'm going to be moving tomorrow to a new place. So maybe I won't have my bed in the background here in my videos anymore. I think that will look a little cleaner and better. So we'll see what happens. All right, you guys. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys having the same interest in me. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Appreciate you guys having the same interests as I do. It's always fun having this journey or being in this journey with you guys. So have a good night. Thank you. Bye.